let's get some drink now.
Yeah, it's a little LQ somewhere up the road.
Take a little look.
You know, we can get it right. Yeah, guys. I'm not gonna tell y'all location, but we are in Jersey, so that's all you need to know. You know what I mean? After this, we're gonna go check E. We're gonna do the transmission, change out the clutch, flywheel, get him back on the road. Yep. And we at the LQ, guys. Just
trying to get right.
About to get right.
Let's get some drinks in our system.
Drink. Pour it up. It's your boy Main J. I'm here. We out here like that. Yeah, let's go get some drinks.
Go.
Yeah, they over here.
What we looking for? Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, we out here.
Brown water on deck.
Brown water on deck. Hold on, do we need cups?
You probably should get some cups, huh? You got your cup?
Good old bottle. This our little dirty juice, guys. And we don't condone into drinking and driving and stuff.
Drinking and driving.
So
drink sober up, then you drive.
Yeah, you understand? We don't do the we don't do those what y'all call it, drinking, driving shit. It's not safe.
It's not legal.
Legal, and it's not fun.
Not fun. It's expensive too.
And yes,
very expensive.
You can lose your license. You understand? Kill people on the road. We're going that way.
Back up that way?
Yeah.
Just don't do it.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Come on, guys. If you ain't got it, don't do it. You ain't got it. It's all good. We just gonna understand that, you know? Just like I got a TL. It ain't a Type S, but you know, it's the H-back.
It can be faster than that though.
Huh?
It can be faster than the Type S when you're done with it.
Yeah, when I get done, it'll definitely do some damage. We're gonna have some fun. Where's that head? Let me tap that motherfucker right quick. Bow! And it's a 19, got it. Yep. That's what happened. It's OEM shit. Damn. Torn up.
What that? It says torn up in there, right?
Matter of fact, let me just try to move this. Yeah.
You just need a little bit of room, bro. And then when you put it back together, you got to make the guide how to take the trans off without dropping the subframe.
Yeah,
because people ain't doing that.
That's what we're gonna do.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
People not doing that.
So I'm gonna take this mount off. 1, 2, 3. First, clutch.
Oh, man. It ain't that bad.
Yeah, at least this part is reusable.
It's not that bad. What the fuck? Oh my god. I'm about to sell that shit. Somebody gonna buy it. My car only got 90,000 miles.
Put it together with this. Look at this shit. Now look at this shit here.
Look.
Look at this shit. Look at this here.
Look at this.
This
Somebody
is
come
just
look at this.
a part of the flywheel, guys.
Somebody come and look at this.
Just a part of the flywheel.
Look at
I
this.
haven't got it out yet. It's still right there. That's the flywheel, guys.
This shit going in the pizza box. Hold on. Somebody gotta hold it.
Yeah. Oh my god. So you see this ring gear here that I showed you guys? This thing came off of the flywheel. So yeah, that's it.
I'm trying to wonder how that happened because the last time I started the car, I bump started it. And then I tried to bump start it again.
But that wouldn't do that. That wouldn't mess it up.
No, listen. The next time I try to bump start it again, it would not bump start.
That's crazy.
I'm pretty sure it says it has, man.
Look, this shit broke off of here and everything. Look. You see that?
Yes.
Yeah. And this is what holds it in place. These are just called rivets. Wow, it's terrible. But this is stock stuff.
Yeah.
So it's not really.
Not surprised.
Yeah.
Not surprised at all.
How we going after market?
Now this is our clutch.
Let's see.
Our clutch still has some meat on it, but at the end of the day, it's a stock meat. So it still has some pad on it, as you can see. It's not all the way done, but we're just changing it because the flywheel is bad. So since we're changing it out, we're doing the clutch one time, which would be a smart thing to do because you have the transmission and everything out. So yeah, but I wouldn't reuse this. I'll just get rid of it. Seat points to the new throb bearing that's inside there. See, look, throb bearing, brand new, heavy duty, ready to go. Yeah, it's going down. Yeah, that's a heavy duty throb bearing.
Excellent.
To that fucking shit. This is some. Look at this shit. This shit's small and puny. Fuck is this?
Throw that shit out.
Throw this turd away.
I'm selling that shit. That shit going right on eBay. That whole kit.
Used throw bearing.
That whole clutch kit is going on. Y'all gonna see that shit on Facebook Marketplace. Like, yo, this is shit.
Barely used.
Yeah, barely used.
Put it up there for $30. Somebody gonna come get it.
Nah, that whole clutch, I ain't selling it for $30.
Nah, I'm talking about the throb bearing by itself.
Nah, the clutch and the flywheel, I'm gonna sell for fucking, I don't know, $100.
Let me get that flywheel. It's over there.
Yeah,
Flywheel.
Flywheel.
That's
Let me
the
hold the
clutch.
clutch.
Yeah.
That's the,
You don't
that's
need
the
that.
flywheel.
Nah, yeah.
He said you don't need that.
This right here is my bread and butter.
You don't need that. Put that in. Put that in.
Yo.
It's kind of light though.
It is
it's
compared
a
to.
lightweight-
You
it's a
should lift
lightweight.
that one.
No, that's
Where the
what,
other
like,
one?
that's like
Right
a 12
here.
pound.
Right there.
There's a 10. That's that gotta
Okay,
be
This is like 15 pounds.
All right, this one feels way lighter, right?
This one should be like 27.
Something like that. Should be like 30.
Should be like 30. Oh shit, I forgot that comes off.
Yeah, I don't care about that.
That's what broke.
That's what broke. Yeah.
I guess it ain't that heavy.
Yeah, watch out. I gotta prove to my bitch I'm working on cars.
Nah, this one's more heavier than
It
that.
is heavier than that one.
Yeah, some of
But you also gotta count in. This shit fell off. Hold on. That shit fell off too.
Right, that's why. Yeah, definitely.
Let me see.
Yeah, that one's lighter.
Yeah, about the same. Yeah, this one's heavier. I mean, I don't give a fuck though. As long as it ain't that stock shit. My shit's shiny and it still got the yellow line on it like it came from somewhere new. God, you feel me? Somewhere.
Trust me,
Word, it ain't gonna stay.
this thing gonna stay. Cause this part is supposed to be in like attached to it.
Word,
Cause they got it, they had it pressed in and they put these little screws in there.
extra.
Yeah, just to make it stay.
Yeah, cause it's welded.
They riveted it in or no?
Yeah, like right there. 1, 2.
3, but it was welded before that. It's on there.
Yeah, this is the stock. So you see, guys, this might be a common problem in certain Acura 6-speed transmissions from 04 to 08. If it's non-Type S or Type S, you could go and get into this problem. So yeah. So if you go through this, I advise you to just change the clutch in one shot. So then,
They sell your seats to me.
yeah, you're part of Street Inc. That's E right there. So, anybody got some seats, put them shits in the comments below. Let us know. But this is shit, and we won't be needing this anymore.
Garbage.
Somebody gonna buy that shit. Here, hold it. This is only when it first came out though. Hopefully it was hitting the. Nope.
No, we
Not hitting the
straight.
bolt. Yeah. Yeah. When they first came out, the problem was this wasn't sitting deep enough. So this was hitting
The spring.
the springs, and it was grinding on it. But so when you turned it, you would hear it. But obviously that's just sitting mad flush.
Yeah.
Good. I'm just making sure I got the
Yeah,
right shit.
yeah.
Yeah, I was just making sure because when I saw I'm just making sure before we put it in, you know.
No, yeah.
And you close everything up.
Yeah, because once they close that, that's it. We ain't trying to come back out.
Yeah.
See this part right here? Yeah. Alright, so you already know that goes to the teeth, right? Now you see this part here? This goes to the plot bearing inside of the flywheel. So then what that does is it locks into the groove inside of the flywheel. You understand? And this lines up perfect.
Right.
So that's kind of the reason why we need that socket, like I said. So I'm banking on this. And I just need something to fit snug into that hole down there. Hold on, this will work, but what I need is
That's gonna be tight when the
No.
fucking clutch. The
Actually-
pressure plate gotta go over that shit.
this is gonna work just fine. This is gonna work. I need some tape.
This gonna work?
Yeah, I'm just gonna use this like that. Right? And then, because this is the part that goes in there. Hold on.
Spec.
Yeah.
Come on, Spec.
Don't let me down.
Fucking need you, nigga. Fucking need you like water right now.
Nigga, I think I'm talking about a bitch up here.
Take a deal money, now you tapped out, ain't got no appeal money. Coming home like niggas did you wrong. But when you had that money, you could've put niggas on. In the moment that they put cuffs on you, your bitch was gone.
Alright guys, so as you can see here, we got the clutch in. The clutch, the pressure plate here, and the flywheel. Of course you can't see the clutch because the clutch is inside. Pressure plate here, flywheel here, and trans, we're just gonna get it ready. Of course we're gonna put it back on, and that's it. So it's about done. Yeah!
You'll start and
like
drive.
that?
We out here like
We'll be
that.
driving it again.